Alright, oh my goodness, I'm forgetting everything. I almost, I don't know.
Watch them together. Rub them together. No, kind of back.
Dyson.
That's what I figured.
And then we steam back every like week.
Okay.
Especially with me around.
Alright, so we're back to your chair.
Alright, so it's like... Alright, so we don't need to tap our sugar. All we need to do is scrape it off. Scrape it off like that, alright? That's all you need to do.
Okay, you can't help.
So what we need to do is we get a big scoop and we just scrape it off like that. And what happens is granulated means, you guys know what granulated means? It's like little rocks, okay? So like just like you guys said, it feels like sand, right? So when sand, it fits together like a little puzzle. So all these little hard pieces fall into place automatically. Ooh, yes you did. Oh, okay.
Keep going.